I'm gonna take you to the Galaxy. This. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to It's Rachel. Okay, in this video guys, I'm gonna take you to the Galaxy. Okay, not really, but I'm gonna show you something that looks like a galaxy that focuses the spreads of the galaxy and hope. Okay, this company contacted me and they sent this to me free to do unboxing, and I will also do review. And it's a GalaxyAlfa. Okay, what's a GalaxyAlfa? GalaxyAlfa is a projector. It's a modern, stylish, immersive gadget that engulfs in any room in a galactic experience of the stars, light, and color. It's a user-friendly functions and endless projection effects, and immerse yourself in a galaxy wonders. Okay, and this one looks like a UFO. So I'm gonna show you the box, guys, what it looks like. This. Okay, let's see what's inside the box, and let's open it. Okay, what's in here is this UFO music stereo projector. This one is a user manual. It's a micro USB charging cable, and let's see what's in here. This thing. Hey, you can check their website, and I do have a coupon code, and I will put the link in the description box so you can check that out. This is the Galaxy projector, and there's the functions over here. There's a built-in speaker, sound activation mode, unique meter, time switch. So we'll install this. There you go. There's two product features. The manual mode. You can also use the app mode. Okay, so I'm gonna show you first the functions of this GalaxyAlfa projector. Okay, this one over here, power button on and off, and also this one is the power input for your micro port. This one is for the USB. I'll turn this on, and you gotta have this one here. I will turn that on and plug this one in here. Okay, there you go.
Bluetooth mode.
I already got the app installed. We'll do the manual mode. I'm gonna show you guys. This one is the short press to play the previous song and long press to decrease its volume. This is the volume. And this one is the short press to play the next song, and it increased the volume. And this one is the play pause music, and this is the switch mode. And this is the LED light, and it controls the ripple light colors. And this one is the control laser and the on and off button, and also this one is the voice control switch. So we'll check that one out. We'll do this one first, the music.
Music mode.
The switch. We'll do the switch mode.
Volume maximum.
Okay, so those are the built-in music. Over here, you can also use the play, you know, whatever music in your stored in your flash drive. Okay, so yes, and is the laser here, and the speaker, and there's also a speaker down here. It changes the color: green, light pink, blue, the yellow, and it's off, and now it's blue, and it kind of ripples there. This is the brightness of the colors, but it's not gonna show very good because it's not dark. And here's the volume. You can control it from your phone. This one is the voice control switch. Every time I talk, see how it okay, when I talk, see that it kind of, you know, the way I talk, it also blinks. And we'll go to the music. And you can just adjust over here. You can adjust the light. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change that one first. Okay. It's just too loud for me. Okay, these are the light here. That. And also another one. And this one you can turn it off or on. And that. This one is the voice activation. Okay, this one over here, it's a color mode. It can change the colors. I'll put it to red, yellow, green, that blue, pink, and red over here. Okay, those are the colors. And then we have to go back, and then here's the that's the moon. You can see it very good because, you know, it's still daylight, but I'm gonna show it to you later in the dark. See how it looks like. And then over here it's a timer, so you can just set the time, you know, how many minutes or hours you want that on, and then it will just switch off when it's done. Okay, so that is a timer. You can just connect it to the Bluetooth, your music. Okay, so this one has unlimited color option. There's a built-in speaker, Bluetooth, smart app. There's a 360 rotating dynamic projector. There's also adjust brightness. Also, there's a sound activation mode and a timer switch. I already showed you guys what are the, you know, the functions and the sound and everything on this GalaxyAlfa, you know. So yeah, this is fun, this one, and you know, it's pretty nice and like a UFO. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.